Good morning, 704 candidates. Dr. Palermo with a week 3 instructional video. If I look a little browner and a little hairier, it's because I've been at Topsail for a couple of days having some family time, and I apologize, I'm a little late getting to this stuff. Today, June 2, I will be catching up on grading and also wanted to give you an overview of the work this week. I know that many of you all of you are busy closing out the school year, maybe administering EOGs today or doing other end of year stuff. Thank you for also taking time to log in, check out this video, and keep up with your work in EDCI. Thank you. So readings this week, Fitzpatrick, chapter 12 and 13, Creswell, Erdan. Start with your Erdan PowerPoints. We're going to talk about measures of central tendency and bell curve and stuff next time that we're together. Make sure that you understand these concepts, please, and how to apply them. And let's see, it was Beth and Zoe, who are my mathematicians. Somebody's going to help me teach those measures of central tendency. Looking ahead and working ahead, connecting the text to your work, the program evaluation in Fitzpatrick. Stakeholders. Well, again, you're updating your PEA and going much deeper in depth in order to plan in your PEB and also to ask the right questions such that you can pull off your PEC in the fall, right? So, yeah. In the readings, I hope that you're thinking about stakeholders and revisiting that evaluation plan template. Did I say enough about that last week? Ask if you have questions. Who are the stakeholders? Figure 12.1 made me think about who are the winners and losers should this program be evaluated and come up short. Who might you choose to interview? What might be the perspectives of each? Do you think it would be advisable to select a representative of each stakeholder group to serve as an advisory board? You see, if this is not a solo project, it gets kind of in-depth, and again, as a PEABC, as a total package, you should be able to take some recommendations at the end of the fall to say, hey, you've been spending a lot of time and resources on this program. It is great. Continue. It is not. Think about ditching it. Anyway, PE should make it real. Who would you select? Okay, shifting gears. Creswell, really applicable for your dissertation work, but this is the statistics that we're learning this summer in order to apply to your research. So in Creswell, Quantitative Methods, Chapter 8, there are two checklists. One for a survey method. Some folks think that asking questions or surveying a group, I suppose a focus group, would be qualitative. But if you're getting into using an instrument, a California Mental Health Survey, surveying kids and using a Likert scale, this is quantitative methodology, but it's kind of softer Quan. The experimental method, which is described in Table 8.4, is more of a true experimental quantitative design. But how many of you will go down that road? I don't know. But if you are, for instance, strictly comparing data, you need to know what are my dependent variables and independent variables and work through those steps in order to ask the right questions again. So 8.1, 8.4, using a survey approach in your quantitative design, or using a qualitative, an experimental approach in your quantitative design. Read Chapter 8, look at 8.1 and 8.4, use the plan that you think you might use in your dissertation and provide feedback to somebody else on that. Erdan, again, you're going to talk a little bit about what you know and don't know about bell curve and descriptive statistics, measures of central tendency and such. That's the work this week, but I know, again, you're busy closing out the school year. You're also supposed to be working on your CNA as well as the PE. Work, work, work. Talk to you later. Have a great week. Thank you.